where do you find the most convincing story right now when it comes to the world of Bitcoin and other crypto assets, frankly?
Well, I think Mike nailed it. Uptober, baby.
Uptober, you said, not October. You said Uptober, right, Meltem?
That is right, Tim. It is Uptober. And I think one of the things that's really important to remember here is the crypto industry is an interesting one because we have a plethora of data, right? Sonali, you shared some of it pertaining to ETF flows. That is a data point that's really widely tracked, but we have a lot of on-chain data that we can look to. I think what we're seeing right now, the Bitcoin halving happened earlier this year. There is this 4-year cycle that gets talked about a lot in crypto that's directly driven by these Bitcoin halvings where the supply of Bitcoin mined in every block gets cut in half. It's effectively the inflation rate in the Bitcoin protocol getting cut in half. We had a halving earlier this year. Typically the halving takes about 9 months to sort of filter through. We've seen, BlackRock went from owning 0 Bitcoin at the start of the year to now holding $25 billion of Bitcoin. We have Larry Fink in his earnings call for BlackRock talking about the potential of Bitcoin to be a massive asset class like gold. And so I think there's just been a fundamental shift, and coupled with sort of this halving and this typical 4-year cycle we tend to see with Bitcoin leading and then other longer tail crypto assets following, we just have this incredible backdrop. And on top of that, it's also an election year where crypto, believe it or not, has become a massive platform for the Trump campaign. And now it's starting to become a small but growing part of the platform for the Harris campaign. So all of this taken together, I think, is driving a lot of attention to Bitcoin and the broader crypto asset class. And that attention is being translated into sentiment. And sentiment, as we know, leads to flows. And we have the data to show that those flows are starting to come back.